Today I'll show you how to connect your HubSpot CRM to an Azure SQL Server database so you can extract data automatically and refresh it on a schedule later. This approach requires no technical skills at all. It's going to be most useful for companies that want to build automated reporting from their HubSpot CRM data, because it comes with a free Power BI HubSpot dashboard. So let's start and let me walk you through the steps. The first thing you want to do is go to this URL right here. I will leave it in the video description and sign in. Now that you signed in, scroll to HubSpot, and the general info tab will give you some information about the HubSpot connector, but you can start your free trial and just navigate to the install tab. There's no need to start a subscription. Here, if you already have a database, you can unselect this and paste your database details here. So this could be your server name, database name, and then login and password. I have another video which walks you through the process of creating an Azure SQL Server database step by step. So I'm gonna leave a link to this video here. I'm not gonna explain it again to make this video a bit more concise. If you don't have any skills for creating SQL databases on Azure, then just select this, use video database, scroll down and click install. It's important to say that you will only be able to create views inside of this database if you're using your own database. If you're using the VidiCorp database as your default option, you will not have permissions to create new tables. On the background, our system will create an Azure SQL Server database for you on our account, which you'll be able to access later on. This usually takes about a minute or 2 minutes, so we need to wait for all the resources to be deployed on Azure, and after this we can connect our HubSpot account. The database is now created, so I will be automatically redirected to the next window from here. Now here we can connect to HubSpot account, so I'm going to click connect to HubSpot, and now we just need to go through the authentication process. So I'm just going to sign in with Google. Now here I'm going to select the account that I want to connect to my database. There we go, and click Connect App. The message that you saw here is just a standard message that you see HubSpot writing for all the new apps registered on HubSpot environment. It just means that their team hasn't reviewed the app, but it's just like a standard message, so HubSpot do not take responsibility on themselves. So yeah, bear in mind, it's just a standard message. It doesn't really mean much. It's what HubSpot showed for all the new apps on their system. Now you can see that the company is now connected and the data extraction has started. You can monitor the progress for the data extraction here on the refresh status tab. So this will tell you how many rows have already been loaded and the latest load date. When you first install the connector, it's going to take a little bit of time to publish the underlying container that contains the code for this connector. So give it a couple of minutes. If you don't see this table being populated at first, this is completely normal. Just refresh the page a little bit later and you will start seeing some rows in this table. Now the refresh settings tab is what allows you to control which tables you want to extract. So if you want to delete a table, you just unselect it and then click Apply Changes. You can also preview the tables from here. So if you click this button, for example, you will see all the columns inside of this table, and once they populate with your data, you will be able to see some rows here as well. Finally, now we need to get the database connection details, so you can just click here on database connection string, and our system will send you an automated email to the address that you used to register. And from here, you can copy those details inside of this email and connect to the database from there. So the last thing I need to do is I will go to my SQL Server Management Studio, and I will copy the details from the email and use them here. So the server name is this, just copy everything here, and then we will use SQL Server authentication and insert your login and password right here. Now the Power BI template that I mentioned is right here. You can download this template and install it. You will just need the details shown in this email to install the template. And I will leave a link to another video that shows you how to install the template and walks you through the analysis inside. You also want to go here to connection properties and insert the database name from the email. And from here, just click connect. Now let's go to databases. This is our database, and here are all the tables that are available. So let's give it some time to load. There we go. From here, you can run your SQL queries from those tables. So that's pretty much everything I wanted to show you today. I hope you find this video useful, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions.